Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove a keyboard from a T560 Lenovo. The process is the same for the T540 and the T460. The first thing you have to do is take out the battery. There's another battery on the inside, but if you have power to the computer, you have to go into the BIOS to disable that battery. Anyway, to remove the keyboard, you gotta open the lid. There's some screws, 5 screws under the key. You gotta get a small screwdriver, push up on the keyboard. There's some notch on the end of the keyboard, which you have to push them up so that you can see the screws on top of the keyboard. You gotta unscrew there. 2, 3, 5. Once you remove the screws not going to come all the way out. They want to stay in, but you just gotta loosen them all the way. And then you pry. And pull to the back. There you have it. So you do the opposite to put it in. First you gotta put the cables in. Be careful not to damage your cable, not to break the connector. You gotta push it up under the palm rest. Screw out the screws. Then you gotta push back down on the tab so that the screws are once more even. There you have it. You can't see the screws because the tab covers the screws. There you have it. Then of course you put back your battery. The keyboard works just fine. There you have it, folks. Keyboard replacement on the T560, which applies to the T460 and the T540. Please like, share, and subscribe.